I'm just getting ready because I'm gonna end up going to TJ Maxx right now. All my girlies in chat. You think this foundation matches me? Okay, I gotta hurry up. I got things to do today. Oh, thought I wasn't recording. Can you imagine this whole time not recording, just talking to myself? Wow. I mean, I do talk to myself a lot, honestly. I don't think that's weird. Me and my boyfriend, we both be talking to each other. I mean, we both be talking to ourselves, so I don't think it's weird. I feel like I look cakey. It's okay, whatever. Nobody cares. We are good. It doesn't look horrible. I mean, I see some patchiness here. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What is my beauty blender doing on the floor? How did you get here? I was looking for you. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm not doing anything crazy for my hair, honestly. It's gonna take 2 minutes. 2 minutes, let me show you. So yes, I look crazy. Why do I look like this? I look like I got electrocuted. My hair just went up. You know this one girl in high school, not high school, middle school or elementary school? Oh my god. I have curly hair, I think. I didn't know I had curly hair until like a few years ago when I started like taking care of my hair and it started getting curly. But like in high school, middle school, whatever, like I didn't know I had freaking curly hair. So like I just had frizzy hair all the time and I would just put it up. And this one day I was being bold, right? I felt confident, I felt cool. I was like, I'm gonna leave my hair out. And I did. And I had this like best friend who I would sit on the bus with, and I went to sit next to her and she was like, what the fuck blew up in your hair? I don't think she said the F word, but like, that's your first reaction? I think I cried. I really think I cried. And I tied up my hair. And honestly, ever since after that, I had a really weird relationship with my hair where I would like always want to leave it down, but I just never had the confidence because it was just like crazy. My hair was like really frizzy. And I remember sometimes like if I thought about going to school with my hair down, it would be like the most, I felt like I was going to school like naked. I was like, everybody's gonna stare at me. So dumb, honestly. And now I don't even leave my hair down. But like it's crazy, like the things you worry about in like middle school, high school is like so like when you look back and think back at it, or when you think back at it, it seems like why was I wasting my brain cells on that issue? But I'm so happy now. I feel more confident in my hair. I mean, the only reason I straighten it is because I fucking cut it, which is one of my biggest regrets in life, honestly. I regret cutting my hair because if you didn't know, I had a really long hair and it would curl beautifully. But now that my hair is like kind of short and I cut it myself, so it's like in weird fucked up layers, it just looks weird if I try to curl it because I really look like I have a mullet, okay? And although that look is cool on some people, not me. I'm not trying to rock a fucking mullet. So yeah, that's why I just straighten it because it gives the illusion of long hair, and I honestly think I look better with longer hair, but it's just a lot. This is what I'm wearing today. It is what it is. And I'm gonna wear this top. Is it giving? I don't know what shirt this is. I stole it from my boyfriend. But yeah, let's head out. Look at my freaking desk, bro. I gotta clean that shit when I get back. But yeah, let's head out. I'm probably not gonna record that much in public, honestly. I'm gonna try to be in and out. But if I do, I guess you'll see that in the next clip. Hey guys, I just got home. Do not even laugh at my hair right now. Should I just keep this on? Oh. Yes, we're gonna keep it on. I just came home. I'll show you a little haul later, but the lighting looks really good right now and I kind of want to record, so I'm gonna clean. away because it's making a mess and I'd rather just get it out the way. I got Starbursts and I'm enjoying them thoroughly. It's so cool. First I went to TJ Maxx and here's what I got. I got a nail polish, $5. And I got some scrunchies. Let's just stop showing home. I got some bangers at Marshall's. My Marshall's is always high-key better than TJ Maxx. I don't know if that's like a running consistency. And here's one of the things I got. And it's this palette with literal 4 makeup brushes. And they're like really precise. I thought it was like metal, but it's actually plastic. It's okay though. It's still a palette. It's better than my hand. And the brushes, super fine tipped. Let me take this off. You can see that. I don't know who Abby Robots who Abby Roberts is, not robots. Oh my god. But I really like these brushes. I think they're cool. Ooh, look at this one. What? Why is it bending like that? Is that normal? Oh, and this was $8. And here's the palette, which I was excited about. It's just a plastic clear thing. Nothing. Well, is my makeup transfer proof? Kind of. I'm gonna ruin my makeup. Anyways, palette. I really wanted this, and I was happy to find it. And then you're not ready for this. Oh wait, should I go through the boring stuff first and save the exciting stuff for the end? Yeah. Okay, I got freaking pimple patches because I'd be breaking out. Great. Oh, they're like teeny tiny. I don't know if you can see them. Woo! This is what they look like. Last 2 things are literal perfection. So which one should I pick first? I feel like I'll pick... Okay, I'll pick this first because I got the brushes. You know, I wasn't gonna get them. I already went to like TJ Maxx like I think earlier this month and I saw these and I was really excited, but I was like, I think one of the brushes looked dirty. So I was like, I'm not gonna pay for these and like the brushes are dirty. So I just took it as a sign and I didn't get it. And I regret it. Oh my god, this is so cute. I want to keep this sparkly paper in the back. Anyway, nobody cares. So these are the brushes. I'm so excited. And it has like a heart etched. Can you see that? I have no idea how the fuck to do this. Can you see the heart? I hope you can see it. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm not even exaggerating. This is the softest brush I've ever touched in my life. This shit is insanely soft. Wow, that's crazy. This feels so good. This is the softest fucking brush. What is it made of? Silky soft bristles. They were right about that. Like it says silky soft bristles. True that. Apply and blend with ease using this elite set of ultra soft makeup brushes crafted with plush synthetic bristles. Bro, this is softer than a plushie. This is softer than a baby's butt, honestly. I think I might start using these every day. I was like kind of worried. I just got them because they were cute. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I got them because they were cute. But they might be useful too. Okay, on the small ones you can't really tell. But on the big ones, they feel really nice. So I think for the eye brushes, I'm like, they're cool. I like them. I use a lot of stuff on my eyes anyways. And I think these are like for your eyeballs too. But I think they would be good like nose contour brushes. Why can't I talk? I give myself the ick every time I open my mouth. Nose? Little Nas X. I'll cry about that later tonight, but I love these brushes. But yeah, that was honestly, I didn't expect to like it that much. I mean, it is Hello Kitty in pink and it has hearts on it, but The brushes felt so freaking good. And last but not least, I saved this for the end. I got, and you've never seen this before, I can tell you that. Look at how freaking cute this is. Look at the heart, and look at Hello Kitty. I mean, I don't need another hairband, but like I just felt bad passing this up. Like, come on, this is adorable. I think it's super cute, and I have like a few. You want me to show you all of mine? Oh, I got you. Exhibit A. This is, I like this. If you're thinking about getting this, you should definitely get this because the quality is really good. I mean, I washed them with laundry, so like this part gets a little like, I don't know, like that. I mean, it's fine. But like this never changes, and I like how it keeps like its structure and its shape, and it looks cute, you know. It does droop a little bit, but I think it's because it's wet because I was using it. That's one. And this is another example of why I like this one better because of the material here. I'm kind of worried this is kind of gonna be like this, but it's okay, whatever. I love this one. This one is super cute too. I love just Hello Kitty here chilling, super cute, and I love the stripes here. I mean, the white has turned into like a gray blue because I can't keep my white clothes white. Let's just be honest here. I still think this is super cute too. I mean, this is a sleigh. And I got my boyfriend into skincare and he wanted one too, so he got this one. I love this one too. It's really cute. I love the alien. So it's just gonna be a nice little addition to these. So yeah, I just came back from the grocery store and let me show you what I got. I got chicken broth. I got miso broth. I got tofu and celery. That's all I got, honestly. And I'm gonna start cooking because I'm hungry. And before we get started, check out my apron. Stunning, gorgeous. This is the only reason I be cooking, honestly. I'm so great at this. I literally forgot to record. Let me show you. It looks pretty good. I mean, that's my soup. I put the veggies in there and the chicken. And I put some dumplings in there too. Is it a chicken noodle soup? I don't know. It's a soup though. It's a soup, and that's a win for me. I don't know. I never follow a recipe, honestly. I just wing it. Cause what are recipes? Recipes are just people telling you what to do, and I hate people telling me what to do. I just like to do what I want to do. So yeah.
Hi Bob, how are you? Doing good.
Hi, Gretchen.
His hemorrhoid went away.
Thanks, Glenn.
They were gonna have to use a butt needle.
Glenn, yeah.
I just felt really tired, and I've been laying in bed for a minute, and I just can't sleep because I'm like, I don't know. I think I have insomnia, so this is my setup to help me sleep. I have Bob's Burgers playing over here with the volume like kind of low. And then in another tab, I literally have lo-fi music to help me sleep. So hopefully I'm asleep. Okay, because it's already 2. And I'm like, my eyes are burning because I'm really tired, but I can't sleep. So yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully I can sleep.